This is the unboxing of the Dell Pro 27 Plus video conferencing monitor, model P2724DEB. Category 5.3 MB. It features a 27-inch in-plane switching IPS panel, a 4-megapixel 2K camera, 2 microphones, and 2 5-watt built-in speakers. Inside the box we have the quick setup guide, safety, environmental, and regulatory information, the monitor panel, stand riser and base, 1.5 meter power cable, 1.8 meter DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable, 1.8 meter USB 3.2 Type A to Type B upstream cable, and a 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable. The panel measures 16.37 inches high by 24.09 inches wide by 2.35 inches deep. It has a native resolution of 2560 by 1440 at 60 Hz refresh rate, 16 by 9 aspect ratio, brightness of 350 candelas per square meter, and a response time of 5 milliseconds. Connect the stand riser to the base and secure them together with the thumb screw on the bottom of the base. Then insert the 2 tabs on the top of the riser into the back of the panel and lower the base until the stand clicks and locks in place. Dell provides a 3-year limited hardware warranty, including advanced exchange service and premium panel exchange. The monitor has anti-glare display screen coating with 3H hardness, 178 degrees vertical and horizontal viewing angles, swivel capability of plus or minus 45 degrees, pivot rotation of plus or minus 90 degrees, tilt range from minus 5 degrees to plus 21 degrees, height adjustment of up to 5.9 inches. The monitor also supports 100 mm by 100 mm VESA mounting. On the back of the monitor, we have 1 HDMI, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 DisplayPort out with multi-stream transport, 1 USB-C upstream, 1 USB-C downstream, 3 USB Type A downstream, 1 USB Type B upstream, 1 RJ45 Ethernet port, a 3.5 mm combo headphone microphone jack, Kensington lock slot, menu control joystick, and the power button. Here we have connected the monitor to a PC using the provided DisplayPort cable with native resolution, and then switch to a lower resolution. We also show the Windows display driver information. Next, we connect an HDMI cable, switching from native resolution to a lower resolution. Using the menu joystick located on the back of the monitor, you can scroll through the various menu items to adjust brightness, contrast, manual input source selection, various color presets, display options, language selection, and display monitor and support information. Here we switch the menu language from English to French. Here we disconnect the DisplayPort cable and connect an HDMI cable to show the monitor auto-detecting the input source.